Primark is back. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. So as you can probably tell by the title and obviously the thumbnail, we have a massive Primark haul because yesterday was the 12th of April and obviously all of the non-essential shops and pubs, things like that, could open back up. And yes, I was one of those people who decided to go to Primark, but we've been stuck in the house for basically 3 months, so why not? I did pick up quite a lot. I have this massive bag here which is absolutely full to the brim and quite heavy, and then I also have another one of these which is full and has actually split, so I can't pick it up and show you, but I'm so excited to show you what I got. I got a mix of clothing items for me, and I got some accessories, some shoes as well, and I also picked up some things for Theo, my little boy. So if you want to see what I got and then I'll show what I got for Theo at the end, then keep on watching. So the first thing I have to show you is this t-shirt, and this is just your normal average sized t-shirt with the little sleeves, and it has this little saying on the front. It just says take care of one another, which I thought was really cute, and to be honest I just absolutely loved the colour of this t-shirt. It's kind of a very light grey. Honestly, the material of this is so soft. This is from the Primark Cares range and it's made using organic cotton. I got this in a size small and this was only £4, which is crazy, and I have missed Primark for all of the cheap tops and little bits and bobs that anywhere else is just way overpriced. Next I picked up a hoodie, and honestly I didn't really need any more hoodies. I've got quite a big collection now, but I didn't have one in this colour, so I was like, right, that's acceptable. It's this really nice, really light stone coloured grey hoodie. Again, it has another little slogan on the front of it. It says do it for yourself. Obviously you just get the hood, and then it has the drawstrings on the front as well with the little silver ends on them, which I thought was just a really nice detail. The inside of this as well is honestly so fluffy. This is again from the sustainable range, and again I got this in a size small, and this was only £7, so I picked that one up. Next I picked up this little white vest crop top. It is more your kind of higher neck style, and then it has the double layered fabric going around the neckline and around where your arm goes. And again, this also does have a quote on it. I must have been really liking the quote things. This just says everyday happiness, and I just thought this would be really cute in the summer or when it gets a bit warmer with just some blue denim shorts. I got this one in a size medium and this was only £4. Next I picked up this really basic little tank top. These are the ones that you usually find folded on all of the, like on the folded tables. I already have quite a few colours in this already, and they're just a staple piece for me. They're really easy to throw on, especially when the warmer weather hits, or even to layer underneath like a hoodie or a jacket, something like that. And I don't have one in this colour. It's just a really nice camel tan sort of colour. I got this in a size medium and this was only £2.50. Next I picked up another kind of very light slinky cami top in this lovely dark grey charcoal colour. So this is really lightweight material. It just has a very slight V at the front and then has this sort of stitched detail going down the front as well. I did actually pick up 2 of these. I got one in a size small and one in a size medium because I wasn't exactly sure how they would fit on me. I'm literally all over when it comes to sizing, so I just thought I'd pick up both. They were only £6 each, so not too expensive, so I just thought I'd pick up both, see which one I like better, and then I can obviously just take the other one back. So next I actually picked up a dress, which is very different for me. I'm never usually a dress kind of person. I seen this dress and I thought I can definitely style that up in a way that I will absolutely love. So this is what it looks like. This is going to be really hard to show you because it is a really long dress, but this is what the top looks like. Just a scooped almost square neckline and has these thin straps at the top, and then it goes down, and then at your waist it completely just flares out. There's just loads of material. I don't know what the material of this is, but it has that nice weight to it, so I thought this would probably sit really nice and have a nice flow to it. It also has the little tie bits around the side, so you can obviously pull yourself in at the waist. I got this in a size 10 and this was £13. I'm hoping the length on this is alright on me because I am only petite and this is just a normal length dress, but I think it will look quite nice. It'll just be a little bit longer in length on me, but I really hope this looks nice because I absolutely love it and I have a vision and I'm hoping that my vision comes through. The next things I picked up were a pair of joggers, and they are these ones here. I absolutely love these as soon as I spotted them on the hanger. They just have this elasticated waist with the stitching detail on them. Obviously has the 2 pulley strings at the front, the silver detailing on, and then down the front they have this exposed seam detail going all the way down the leg. They also have pockets in them, which is absolutely great. I hate joggers or trousers that don't have pockets, so that's a bonus as well. And I've just realised these are actually the exact same colour as the hoodie that I showed, so that could be a really cute combo together, the hoodie with these. I got these in a size small and they were £10. Next I got 2 bodysuits. These are very on trend. I think these are a great staple piece to have. I do have tops similar to these, but I don't have a actual bodysuit. This is what they look like. A high neck racer back bodysuit, which just look like that, and then obviously it has the poppers on the bottom. So I picked one up in this gorgeous minky nude colour, and then I also got the same just in black. I got both of those in a size large because that was the only sizes they had left, but hopefully they will fit all right on me, and they were both £5 each. The next thing I got was another bodysuit. It's this gorgeous dark grey charcoal colour ribbed bodysuit, which also has a kind of high neckline to it. Honestly, the quality of this is like amazing. It looks like something you would get from Zara, probably is for triple the price. Again, this is in a size large because it was the only one there, but I think that will actually be okay, but because it is quite thick material, then I think it's nice just to have a little bit extra room in things when they are tight fitted. As I said, I got this in a size large and this was £6, which is crazy price, but I think this is going to look so nice on. The last 2 clothing items that I picked up were 2 pairs of jeans. To be honest, I have never ventured into the jeans section of Primark. Because I am so short, I find leg lengths and things like that I just cannot get away with. So I was like, I'm gonna have a look and see if I can find anything that hopefully will fit me or look nice, and I managed to pick 2 pairs of jeans up. I was really after some either wide-legged or mom style jeans, like blue jeans. So first I picked up these ones, which are the mom jeans, high-waisted, which just look like this. Just plain blue jeans, just like that. And then they have a little roll-up at the bottom which you can take down. I got these in a size 12 because the jeans themselves don't seem that stretchy, so I thought to be able to get them past my hips and, you know, up to my waistline, I thought I better go for a little bit of a bigger size just so I can get them up. But I really like the look of these and I'm praying that these fit and that they look nice. This is totally the kind of vibe and the style that I wanted. These are also from the sustainable cotton range. These were only £15, which is absolutely amazing. I'm really excited to try these. The next ones I got were again another pair of blue jeans. These are a slightly darker colour than the ones I showed before, and these are just a vintage straight leg high-waisted jean. I did pick these up in a 10 because this waistband looked the same size as the other ones, but now I'm thinking, should I have got a 12? I don't know, but I guess I'll see what they're like when I try them on. They're just wide legged all the way down and have this frayed effect on the bottom, but I really wanted to try the whole wide leg jean trend and see if I like it, see if I suit it, see if I can be converted away from my skinny jeans. Again, these were only £15, which is just amazing value for a really nice pair of jeans. Next, I'm going to show you the pairs of shoes that I got. Actually, they're all sandals, but anyways. So I picked up these ones, which are these gorgeous nude crossover padded sandal. These honestly just look like they came from Zara, but again, for probably a quarter of the price. I got these in a size 3 because I have itty bitty little feet, and these were only £6, and I love these ones so much I did pick them up in the black as well. Then the other pair of sandals I picked up were these ones. Looking at these now, I've got the other ones back home as well. They do look very similar, but the difference with these ones is that they're actually made of real leather, so they are a bit better quality than the other ones I've just shown, and that does reflect in the price. These were £20. The leather on these feels so soft. They just have this gorgeous crossover detailing and obviously this square toe part and the square bottom part as well. That's one Primark bag down. Now on to the second one. Now on to the last few little accessories and extra bits that I picked up. I got myself these 3-pack of ribbed style thongs. Primark actually do these in a little set that comes with a bralette and the matching bottoms with them. I have the black and the white set already. The bottoms with them are so comfy. I love them. So when I seen they sold them individually or as a 3-pack, I was like, I'm picking some of those up. They were £6, which is really good for 3. Next, I picked up these 3-pack of wireless bras, bralettes, whatever you like to call them. Just a black, a nude and a white one. And to be honest, I don't have the biggest boobs in the world, so I can get away with wearing these quite often, just under hoodies, jumpers, t-shirts, things like that. And these are just really comfy to wear, and of course I'm going to choose comfort over anything. So I picked those up and they were £10. 3 little accessory items. I picked up this hair clip. Basically I just wanted a big hair clip just for when I want my hair out of my face, or I clip it up out the way, and they actually didn't have any left. The only one they had left was this one. It's just this really nice orangey toned hair clip with the black dots all over it, and this was £2. I also picked up this pack of hair ties. These are kind of a material elastic and they're really good at not damaging or snapping your hair. So I just picked up some of these. You get 8 in a pack, just sorted colours, and they were £1.50. So the last thing that I picked up for me was in fact a bag. And here she is. I don't know what it was about this, but I just saw it on the hanger and I was like, I love that. It's this canvas fabric bag and has this really thick black stitch detailing going down the front and on the bottom. It also has a little pocket on the front on this side and has a little popper just in the middle. Also does come with a long strap, and then on the tops of the handles they are just leather. Obviously I'm assuming so you've got kind of better grip of the bag, but I just thought this was so cute and just thought the colours and everything was so nice, and because of the kind of linen canvas material, it was just a different texture to add in with any outfit. This was also only £10, which I think is just amazing. So now I'm going to move on to everything that I bought for Theo. If you don't know, I have a little boy. He's almost 3 now, which is crazy. I can't believe I'm going to have a 3-year-old this year. But I picked up a few things for him because he was in need of a few little bits and pieces. So the first things I got were these pack of vests. These are just short sleeve bodysuits, and I got them in 24 to 36 months because I do find Primark sizing in the kids stuff runs quite small, so I always go up an extra 1 or 2 sizes to what he is now, if that makes sense. Vests he was in absolute dire need of, and this was the only pack that I could find which had his size, so I picked these up. They are still really cute. They just have little dinosaurs and stars, black and white, grey stripes and just all sorts on them, and you get 7 in a pack for £7, which is great value. The next thing I got was this super cute little t-shirt. They had such a nice little range of Mickey Mouse inspired things. This was one of them. It's this gorgeous little cream coloured t-shirt, and obviously just has Mickey Mouse on the front, and then has like Mickey Mouse's hands all over it in loads of different colours, like a dark green, a lighter blue, a darker blue, and this was £5.50, which is just amazing. The next things I got them were off the tables where they have everything folded on. The first one I picked up was this little grey one, which just has loads of little cute animals and things like that all over it, and you are not going to believe the price of this. This was only £1.30. Like, that is just insane. So I got that little grey one, and then I also got this one, which is total opposite end of the spectrum. This gorgeous really bright blue coloured one with this neon yellow pattern. I love the colour of this because it's really bright and bold and it really suits bright clothing. And again, this was only £1.30, which is crazy. Also off those tables I picked up 2 little sets. So the first one, I absolutely love this so much. I can't believe how cheap this was. So it's this gorgeous little t-shirt. I mean, how cute is that? In this really nice grey colour and has these black palm leaves all over it. And they also had the matching pair of shorts to go with it. Just a really easy, lightweight, great little outfit for when it's hot outside. Top was £1.30 again, and the shorts were also £1.30, which is just crazy. The second set I picked up was again another t-shirt and shorts combo. It's just a dark grey t-shirt with dinosaurs all over it, and obviously has the shorts to match it. These were also £1.30 each. The final little clothing item I picked up for Theo was another little t-shirt, just this one here. It's this gorgeous mint green coloured t-shirt with all of this kind of happy faces and different little drawings all over it in black and also the neon green colour. I got this in a 2 to 3 years, and this was only £1.80. Final thing I picked up for Theo, you are not ready for this. I got him a little pair of trainers. How cute are they? So they're just this white and grey coloured trainers, and they have the tan sole on the bottom of them as well. Have the velcro on the front. These are actually a size 5 and he is only a size 4 at the minute, but I thought his feet grow so quick I may as well just pick these up while they had his size in and keep them for when he's in the next size, which probably won't be long because he goes through shoes so quick. And these were only £10, which is honestly so good for kids shoes, and I can't wait until he can wear them. So that is everything that I picked up from Primark. Let me know what your favorite item that I got was down in the comments. I'm really happy with everything that I got. I also did pay a cheeky visit to Zara yesterday as well, so watch out for another Zara haul coming up on my channel, and honestly it's good, so make sure you subscribe if you don't want to miss out on that. Please don't forget to hit that like button and also the notification bell, and you'll be notified every time that I post a new video. But thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in my next one.